Planning to explore Vienna without carrying your luggage around? Radical Storage offers a fast and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the city's sights. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of depositing your luggage at a storage point in Vienna using Radical Storage, a platform known for providing secure, insured storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes to ensure your bags are safe while you explore. To avoid phishing websites, access the official Radical Storage website through the link provided in the video description. Once there, finding a storage point in Vienna is simple. Just type Vienna into the search bar, and a list of available locations across the city will appear. Choose a location that fits your itinerary, whether near tourist attractions, transport hubs, or central Vienna. Then, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, and complete your booking. Radical Storage offers secure payment options, so you can book with confidence. After confirming your booking, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen storage point. Upon arrival, show the reference number to the staff, and they'll take care of securely storing your luggage. Now you can freely explore Vienna, knowing your belongings are in safe hands with Radical Storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.